useful and the most beneficial. Respected teacher and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to talk about democracy, the voice of the people. What is the meaning of democracy? Democracy is a system of government in which the people have the power to choose their leaders through free and fair election. Therefore, democracy means the power of the people. Democracy is based on the principles of equality, freedom, justice, and respect for human rights. Every citizen has the right to vote, to express opinions, and work and participate in country's development. In democratic societies, every individual is equal before the law, regardless of religion, race, gender, or social status. A strong democracy encourages education, protects freedom of speech, and promotes peace and stability. It allows people to question their leaders and hold them accountable for their actions. It also ensures that government to work for the welfare of the people instead of serving personal interests. These are some responsibilities of a democratic citizen. First responsibility is civic participation. Vote wisely and engage in constructive civic duties. Number 2, rules of law and integrity. Obey the law, avoid corruption, and promote transparency. Number 3, mutual respect. Value diverse opinions and uphold the social harmony and tolerance. However, democracy can succeed if every individual, every citizen will be responsible. People should vote wisely, obey law, avoid corruption, and respect others' opinions. Educated or honest citizens are the true strength of a democratic nation. In conclusion, I want to say, democracy is not just a form of government. It is the way of life that values justice, equality, and participation. It gives every citizen the opportunity to shape the future of a nation. So let's all become a responsible citizen and work together to strengthen democracy and more peaceful and bright future. Thank you.
Yes,